Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys the issue with my surface cleaner that I've been having. It's been leaving lines and stuff like that. So I went ahead and just got some new tips just to make it run better. And I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I've had those tips on there for a few months. Actually, I've never changed them since I gotten the surface cleaner. And I've been using it quite a bit. You know, it's been my concrete machine since I gotten it. And I've done many commercial jobs with it, so it's time to change them. I think it's a good rule to change them probably every couple months, maybe every 2 months. You know, you can change them. They're cheap, like $6 a piece. So just wear and tear items. They're gonna wear down and start leaving lines and not working as well as they should. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. I gotta go get my truck, which it's probably gonna be underwater from the hurricane. So we'll see when we get there. Y'all stay tuned for that. All right, well, the truck is fine, but that thing is in the water. This thing is flooded out here. Look at this boat. It's almost on the water. This is just a field. Man, they got a big tree that fell over there. Hope it fall in the house. I normally park back there. Glad they told us to move it. All right, so we got the surface cleaner here. Like I said, we've had it for a few months. The swivels spin pretty good. Still good. But the nozzles themselves, they definitely need to be replaced. So let me see here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys the old nozzles, what they look like. Spin it around. This is the other one here. See how they look like compared to what's the other ones. I'll show you guys the new ones. Alright, these are the new ones here. See the hole on this one here compared to the hole in that one right there, how it's got enlarged. So over time, from debris hitting it and everything like that, water going through it maybe, it enlarges, so your nozzles end up not spraying properly. It may be one, it may be both. This is the other one here. All right, look at this one here. This is the new one. So we're gonna swap those out, because you can tell those are worn out. All right, so for this surface cleaner here, we use this one with a 12 gallons per minute. So we gotta break the nozzles down to put out 12 gallons per minute. So with this one here, I'm gonna use a 25-degree tip, and I'm gonna use a 30-degree angle. So it's gonna be 25.030, and that 30 at the end basically breaks down to 3 gallons per minute. So you got 3, 6, 9, and 12. That's how it breaks down. Now you can go bigger nozzles. You can go 25.035. So then, it'd be 3.5, 3.5, that's 7. 3.5, 3.5, that's 7. And add it up, that's 14. So when you do that, what happens is you increase your flow, but you drop your pressure by doing that. The pressure gets dropped. The bigger the nozzle, the less pressure. The smaller the nozzle, the more pressure you get. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and change the surface cleaning tips for the 19-inch whisper wash, which I use on my 8 gallons per minute pressure washer. And those ones are definitely tore up, because Look at this, how it's warped. The thing is warped. So it's not gonna spray correct. Same thing for this one here. You can see, look at over here. This area right here. It's not how it's supposed to look. It's how it's supposed to look like this. So we're gonna change both sides. Make sure we got nice new tips, so that way we can clean efficiently. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so the surface cleaning tips, they use a 9/16 wrench or socket or whatever you want to use. It's easier to take it off with this. You can also use a crescent wrench as well if you want. So we're gonna just get our wrench, put it in there. These weren't too tight anyway, so when I take it off, I'll show you guys a closer look. Yeah, these are definitely needed to be replaced. Alright, so we got both out. What you can do is put a little bit of True Blue. You can use True Blue on here. I use this lock seal. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of an old bottle, but I use this lock seal 54.3. It's like liquid Teflon, because the tape, if you use tape, tape breaks down after a while. So liquid Teflon works really well. Or like I said, you can use True Blue. But for stainless steel and stuff like that, I normally just use the liquid Teflon. For like the plastic stuff, PVC, I use True Blue. So we're gonna install these tips on here, and then we'll move on and do the other one. All right, we got our surface cleaner tips on. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys all as well. So when you put them on, the notch that's right in the middle, you want to make sure it's straight down the bar, as straight as you can get it on both sides. That little notch right there, it has to be in line. If not, the swivel is not going to spin correctly, and you're going to start leaving lines. A lot of lines. So always make sure that notch is straight down the pipe. So we got the one up there on. Let's move on to this one here. Same thing on this side. They all use the same exact wrench size. This thing is actually hard to catch because the threads got worn out. So it's gonna be kind of tough. Oh yeah. That is gonna be tough. The threads are worn out. It's supposed to have the not the threads, the body is worn out. Oh my God. I don't think maybe I get a wrench or something like that, or pliers to get it out. Let's see. I'm trying to get it with this wrench. I'm in this socket. Ooh. That baby was in there. This one here, she is ate up. Well overdue. I never let them get that bad. Well, don't look like we're gonna get this one out. I need a vice grip to get that out, because the threads are not the threads. The body is all worn out. I'm not able to grab it like the other one, so. It is what it is. I just get one. I need a pair anyway because my old pair broke. So I'll do that and change that tip soon. So we're gonna install this one tip in here. It's gonna be a 20. I'm using a 25045. If you do the math, 25-degree tip, 4.5 at the end, 4.5 GPM, 4.5, that's 9 GPM. I'm using an 8, so I'm dropping my pressure down a little bit on this one here. Instead of using a 25/040, I'm gonna use a 45. So that way, I drop my pressure some for the 8 GPM. For the 12, I use the regular. But on here, I drop the pressure some. But this pressure washer is 3,500 PSI, so you drop the pressure. The other one, I think I'm operating around like 2,800 PSI, so it's okay to use those tips as is, which is the 25030s. So, like I said, we're gonna get this thing out soon and replaced. I don't use this surface cleaner much; it's my backup, so you can wait for a few days. All right, well that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video of putting the surface cleaner tips on the surface cleaner. Choosing the right tips. I got a video. I got that's got a lot of views on it. People love that video. Shows you how to choose your tips wisely and how to match them up with your pressure washer. I'll link it up there, and also I'll put it in the description so you guys can check it out. Hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.